All right, here we are again. Tornado damage, part 2. Fences are down. It blew the door off of our storm shelter. Yeah, I've got donkeys and horses in my chicken coop. So this was totally enclosed in metal like that, and now it's gone. All my fencing is gone over here. This got picked up off of its foundation and moved about 5 feet. I went in there. It's not that damaged inside, but it's off its foundations. Oh, my electrical's probably toast. There's the electric. I probably should turn that off. Well, it's off anyway, but it's a little stretched. So here is where my fence was. It completely ripped it out of the ground. That's where all of my workshop is basically down there. And all my trees are gone. And yeah, that was a really nice tree. This was a really nice tree. That tree, that's Paco. I have to get him situated. Yeah, this is a mess. So I had a pile of wood here, and it's now over there. That's my workshop. You see that spray foamed wall? That's my workshop. It blew it thousands of feet into the tree line. Some of my brand new metal roof over here. Here's some here that we spent a lot of money on. Here's the arena. We just put that door up a while ago, fixed it. Yeah, the entire roof of the arena is gone, caved in. It bent that metal like nothing. This must have been a really strong tornado. And look at my trailer. So this trailer, what's that cord to? Oh, the trailer. So this trailer was here, and now it's here. This slide out was on the other side, facing that way. It flipped the trailer, picked it up, flipped it, and dropped it. My wife's car, amazingly, I don't think has any damage. I don't know how. Don't quote me on that, because I'm not an insurance adjuster. But I mean, it's got some stuff on it. My phone's blowing up. It might have damage. Don't quote me. I mean, look at this. This is the roof from, I believe, the shop or his shop. So we do have some roof damage. See up there, roof damage. Power pole was right there, and now it's gone. Power line runs across here, and my power pole got snapped in half. It's now laying over there. This is where my workshop was. That's where I park, right there. So here's all the stuff from my workshop, and that's my workshop over there. We do have a bunch of fencing damage. I mean, this is the neighbor's freezer is in my front yard from way over there. This is the front yard damage. Yeah. So Horses got out pretty unscathed. I do see some cuts and scratches. I need to treat Paco. He's got a little wound, but overall, just a giant freaking mess and a ton of stuff we need to sort through. And I mean, this is where all of our storage was in this workshop and in our hay barn, which is no longer there. So yeah, send good thoughts, donate. It really does help us out if you can.